The acquisition of 30 used FA-18CD Hornet fighter flights from Kuwait is in its final stages, with discussions almost complete. Deputy Defence Minister Adi Zahari confirmed that the agreement is expected to be finalised once documentation between the Kuwait Air Force and the US is settled.
Ya, memang kita kedua-dua pihak secara dasarnya memang kita secara dasarnya kita bersetuju. Cuba kita tahu bahawa ada beberapa lagi proses dokumentasi kerana kita tahu F-18 melibatkan juga Amerika Syarikat dan seumpamanya. Jadi kita siapkan dokumentasi. Adapun perjanjian dan seumpamanya kita akan cuba mutamatkan pada tahun ini.
He said this after officiating the high tea ceremony and presenting disability awards to Malaysian Armed Forces veterans at Dewan Penyayang in Alor Gajah, Melaka on Saturday. Adli stressed that procurement for the fighter jets aims to boost the Royal Malaysian Air Force assets and enhance the nation's defence capabilities. He noted that acquiring the used jets is a more urgent and practical option compared with waiting for new ones.